Unlock the secrets to satisfying your partner and enhancing your relationship with these helpful tips on how to please your man in the bedroom. Communication is crucial. Discussing desires, boundaries, and fantasies openly can significantly enhance intimacy and satisfaction in a relationship. Variety is the spice of life. Exploring different positions, techniques, and experiences can add excitement and prevent monotony in the bedroom. Mutual pleasure is essential. Focusing on the satisfaction of both partners ensures a fulfilling and balanced sexual relationship. Confidence is attractive. Feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin can positively impact your partner's experience. Foreplay sets the tone. Taking time for foreplay can increase arousal and lead to more satisfying experiences for both partners. Mindfulness enhances intimacy. Being present and mindful during intimate moments can deepen the connection between partners.